Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is my new video in the series of every iPhone tips. There will be a lot more tips in this series, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Also, you can click over here to see the playlist for my earlier videos on iPhone tips, mainly like how to download free music or free ringtones on your iPhones, how to remove water from your iPhone by just an application, and there are many more tips in this series. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. iPhone notifications. Notifications are part of your life, and luckily in iPhone you have group notifications, which keeps them well organized. In this video I'll be showing you how to manage your notifications. So let's start from the lock screen. To see your notification, just swipe up. You have all your notifications assigned group-wise. When you swipe to the right, you have an option to open. Swiping to the left, you have three options: clear, view, and manage. Let's click on manage. So when you click on manage notification, you have two options. So either you can turn it off or you can deliver it quietly. So next time you will have the notification from this application, but it will be delivered quietly. There will not be any prominent notification for this application. But suppose in future you change your mind, you can again click on deliver prominently. But that's not all. You can even customize your notifications by going to the settings. You can turn off the notifications right from here. These are the alerts you get from your notifications. You can turn them off or on as you like. If you don't want the notification banner on your lock screen, you can just remove from the lock screen. Also, you can choose the banner style. It can be temporary or persistent. If you choose persistent, your notification will stay on top until you clear it. So if you choose temporary, it will stay for a while and then it will hide. Some more basic settings, you can choose sound. But even if you put sound over here and you put your iPhone on mute, that will override the notification. Badges can be removed. Basically, badges are, for example, you can see in Gmail, I have 1102 emails. So these are the badges. If you remove the badges, you will see that it is absolutely clean. It doesn't show how many emails I have unread. Also, you have an option to show the preview always or when unlocked, or even you can choose never. For the notification grouping is automatically decided by the system itself, or you can choose by app, or you can turn it off. So you will have notifications, but they will not be assigned in a group as you are comfortable with. To see the notification from your home screen, just swipe from the left and you have all the notifications. If you have an iPhone which has 3D touch functionality, just press and hold and you have all these options. You click on these three dots and you get the same options. You can archive, you can reply from here. To clear any notification from any group, just click on clear. And to clear all your notifications, just press and hold on your first notification and you will get this option of clear all notifications. That's it. Now all your notifications are cleared. And last but not the least, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. That's all for this video, guys. I hope it was easy for you to understand how to manage the notifications on your iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips in the future and do hit the thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.